Hey, those who don't know me will need to know that I have cerebral palsy and I'm in a wheelchair to understand this video. I recently bought the ecovac N8 Plus home home vacuum robot with mop function, and I have noticed a huge problem with it, and I'm wondering with other um, robot vacuum cleaners the same price, and that is for an item that's over $1,000 Australian in normal so in normal times, not on sale. Like the main brush gets stuck all the time, or at least in 2 out of 3 cleans. And being in a wheelchair, I have cerebral palsy. I can't bend over and pick the robot up. And once the system detects an error, then cleaning just stops. I think this is a huge problem in the technology space with these robot vacuum cleaners because they're so sensitive to errors. So I just think it's a really interesting topic when you go to purchase one of these things, and they're, you know, a considerable amount of money. So that's what I think about that.